Samajam, often referred to as a cultural and social organization, is a community that thrives on preserving and promoting the rich heritage of Kerala, a vibrant state in South India. Samajam has completed several decades of vibrant existence in Dhuravani Nagar with commendable contribution in the field of social, cultural, educational and health services. JHS CBSE is an institution situated at NRI Layout, Bangalore, is run under the aegis of Dhuravani Nagar Kerala Samajam Educational Society. The inception of our institution was in the year 2016. The concept behind the school is to provide affordable and high quality education with excellent infrastructure, making it accessible to the general public. Let's catch a glimpse of how it all started. Greeting you all to this mighty institution where knowledge is a bliss.
ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ.
We understand that children's learning success increases when they are happy at school. So we have a dedicated team of teachers who connect to students and through the relationships get to know about each child's passion. We emphasize on sports, performing arts and extracurricular activities to make it a reality. Jubilee English High School stands for excellence in education and quality in life. We follow NCERT curriculum and we have classes from nursery to standard 9, which in the coming years will extend up to standard 12. In this vibrant and fun-filled atmosphere, we nurture champions who, with their intellectual brilliance and ethical excellence, emerge out as leaders with a difference. I invite each one of you to be a part of this experiential educational journey at Jubilee English High School.